when you multiply pounds and pence, you can just treat it as a normal multiplication. You don't have to worry too much about the decimal point, because in this case we have 125 times £1.26. You may see it written like that, or you may see it written like this on a paper, on an exam. So how do you times pounds and pence? Well, it's just normal multiplication, simple multiplication. So we rewrite the question. So we're going to go 125 times 126. So we're actually completely ignoring the decimal point that will go here. We're just putting it directly underneath here, lining up the 1 with the hundreds, the 2s with the tens, and the 6 with the units. Okay? So just completely ignore that and treat that number the same as you would treat this number. So once we've done that, we've done the hardest bit. We just have to multiply through. So 6 times 5 is 30. 0 carry the 3. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Now, we've dealt with that. Now we're going to move to the tens, and because we moved to the tens, as you would normally do in multiplication, you put a 0. So, what we do in this case, 2 times 5 rather, is 10. 0, carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. With 2. Now we've dealt with the 2, and now we're going to deal with the hundreds. And because we deal with the hundreds, we put 2 zeros, like so. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. It's simple enough. Now all you've got to do is just add these up. 0, 0, 0 is 0. 5, 0, 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 5 is 17. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 1 plus nothing is 1. And because it's pounds and pence, we have 2 decimal places for the pence. All you simply do is put a decimal point there, and your answer is, obviously, we write it here, £157.50. There you go.